We've all been there. You're excited about a project, then your tools let you down. Crooked cuts, impossible angles, endless setup time, it's maddening. That's why we're checking out 10 game-changing woodworking tools that actually work. Perfect miters, smooth carving, real solutions that deliver results. These tools will save you time, improve your precision, and make woodworking fun again. Time to level up your workshop. Let's dive in. Now, first one right here feels like something we should have had all along, but somehow didn't. The Rockler MicroAdjust fence flip stop gives you that little tweak you always try to eyeball but never quite get right. We found the MicroAdjust wheel super handy when you just want to take off a sliver without shifting your whole setup. You know that moment when you're batch cutting parts for a project and one piece ends up just a bit short? This totally cuts down on that. The aluminum rails feel tough, and the built-in measuring tape being tilted towards you helps a lot. Whether you run it on one side or split the rails on both, the thing just makes every cut repeatable. Once we set it up, we honestly didn't want to take it off our saw anymore. Now, if you've ever tried to line up drawer fronts by yourself, you know how frustrating it can be. They slip, twist, or just don't sit level. That's where this Craig drawer front mounting system really showed its value. It clamps right onto the drawer box and holds the front steady while you line things up. We like the spacer shims because they gave us even reveals on both sides without second guessing. The alignment marks help too, especially when repeating the process on multiple drawers. The clamps felt strong and didn't slip, which meant we could work without having to call for an extra set of hands. If you're doing any kind of cabinet project, this jig makes that process cleaner, faster, and just way more reliable. We used it once and now it's a must in our shop. If you've ever laid out rabbets by eye or with a tape measure, you already know how fast things can go sideways. That's where the Woodpeckers rabbet gauge set really stepped up. Designed as part of their one-time tool program, this three-piece set takes all the guesswork out of laying out rabbets no matter how you plan to cut them. Each gauge is milled from a single block of aircraft-grade aluminum and includes 4 steps covering rabbet depths from 1/16 inch to 3/4 of an inch in clean 1/16 inch increments. We liked how quick it was to just pick the size you need, line it up on your board's edge, and mark your line. No math, no guesswork, just a clean transfer from wall to saw. When you brought it over to the router table, the setup felt just as smooth. Using the gauge to position both the bit height and fence made dialing in the cut dead simple. It let us skip the usual back and forth test cuts and get right to work with confidence. Everything came out sharp and square on the first pass. The anodized finish also helps the tool glide across the stock with less resistance, which makes scribing feel more controlled. And since it's all milled from a single piece, there's no flex or slop to worry about. It's dead on every time. It's dead on. This next one we didn't even know we needed until we tried it. The Arborate FOP Plane connects right onto an angle grinder, and suddenly you're shaping wood into bowls, balls, or curves without touching a lathe. It's wild. We used it on a chunk of hardwood and got a nice smooth bowl shape without much learning curve. The collar lets you control how deep or wide you cut, and it felt super controlled thanks to the guarding system around the blade. Also, it comes with sanding discs that just swap right on. So once you're done shaping, you're already set up to smooth things out. This one's sturdy for anyone into sculpting or artistic woodworking. We thought it might kick back or feel rough, but it actually stayed controlled and comfortable to use the whole time. Now this one, if you've ever messed with crown molding or baseboards, this tool saves real time. The Wolfcraft angular bevel gauge makes figuring out those weird angles super simple. It's got this clever setup that not only measures the angle, but also tells you the miter cut right there. We tested it in some tight inside corners where usual methods always feel like guessing, and it really came through. What helped us most was how it locked into place and didn't shift while we marked it. The telescopic legs even let you measure tricky outside corners without juggling a second hand. It's fast, clean, and reliable. No math, no guesswork, just a clean transfer from wall to saw. This is one of those tools that feels small but pulls a big job. It really just made those cuts feel way more confident. Here's one that really makes life easier when you're trying to deal with long boards or switching tools fast. The XTX Ender from Bevel Products is a fence system that can change its length based on what you're doing. If you're working on a long trim piece one day, then switching to smaller cuts the next, this thing's got your back. We liked how it just clips onto the fence, no crazy tools or mods needed. You also get to add accessories like stops or clamps if you want, which means you can really make it your own. It reliably keeps your cuts square without fighting you. It made working on our solid table a smoother ride, especially during back-to-back setups. For us, that flexibility helped a ton in small spaces or just jumping between jobs. This next one isn't flashy, but man, does it solve a problem fast. The Milescraft Pin Doctor is just a simple, clever tool that helps you remove and reinstall hinge pins without scratching things up or reaching for random tools that never quite work. We've all used a screwdriver and hammer combo to pop those pins, and it never feels right. But it's got a clear body so you can see what you're doing, and a built-in steel pin that lines up perfect. We tapped out an old door pin in seconds, clean and without bending anything. And then getting it back in was just as smooth. It's one of those little helpers that doesn't take up space but earns its spot in the toolbox the first time you use it. Definitely worth it for home projects or even small repair gigs. Setting up a durable surface on site or even just in the garage can be a pain, especially when your benches are full. That's where the Oxtrade pack-down sawhorse came in handy. What stood out first was how tough they feel. They're built heavy enough to handle real work, but still fold down flat when you're done. We moved them around a few times between cuts and setups, and the non-slip feet actually made a difference on both concrete and plywood flooring. We threw a couple of 2x4s across them and set up a full temporary workbench without any wobble. Whether you're cutting, assembling, or sanding, it just gives you a stable base fast. We used them during a cabinet install, and packing them back into the truck was no hassle at all. Definitely something we'll keep using job after job. The Saker Mini Multifunctional Table Saw isn't just a toy. It's a full cutting station built into a tiny footprint. We were honestly surprised by how well it handled wood, plastic, and even soft aluminum. It's light enough to move around but doesn't bounce or shake when cutting. The cutting depth can be adjusted with ease. So if you're doing model work, crafts, or small joinery, this one keeps it clean. We used it to rip down some trim pieces, and it left a nice edge right off the saw. The guard over the blade gave us a little peace of mind too. It's ideal for folks in tight spaces or beginners wanting more control without jumping straight into big machines. We found it easy to trust, and that made all the difference. So right after using the Wolfcraft gauge, we moved over to the miter saw protractor just to see how they compare. And honestly, this one held up great. It's made from aluminum alloy, which feels strong but not heavy. What stood out right away was the laser-etched markings. They're super clear, even in low light, and they won't rub off like printed ones. It's got two scales, one for regular angles, and another for miter cuts, which came in real handy when lining up crown molding. The smooth swivel in the center feels good to use, like it won't jerk or slide too fast. What we liked was how quick you can go from measuring to cutting without overthinking it. If you're doing trim work or angled cuts often, this little tool makes things click faster and cleaner. So those are our takes on the new woodworking tools, each with its unique benefits and features. We hope this video gives you a good idea of the possibilities and helps you make the right choice for your needs.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.